Listen up, girl. It's 2025 and we are leaving lazy dressing in the past. You've got the clothes, you've got the looks, and all the potential in the world. So
Why not start using it?
this year is all about showing up as your best dressed self. Stick around because I am about to hit you with 25 game changing tips to kickstart your fashion game and slay all of 2025. Before we dive in, hello and happy new year, my loves. I wish all of you a healthy and happy year ahead. If you're new, hi, I'm Koshani and welcome to my first video of this year. There's so much more amazing content to come, so go ahead, subscribe and join our fam. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. Learn fashion related skills. First of all, I want you to learn a new skill or adopt a new hobby that is related to fashion, like knitting, sewing, crocheting, or embroidery. Pick one or more and master those skills. They are not just practical, these are super creative and fun to do as well. Now imagine being able to customize your clothes at any point of time, upcycle the clothes that you don't wear anymore, or create something completely from scratch. It's really a next level way to express your own personal style and own clothes that only you have in this entire world. And not only that, it's a very sustainable take towards fashion as well. Number 2, make a fashion calendar plus mood board. I want you to go to your calendar and analyze all the special events or occasions that you have and pick out a few outfits for each and every single occasion or event. This will save you from last minute rush and you will always have options to choose from. Plus, you're also going to make a mood board based on the psychological aspect of clothing. That means if you're feeling down or low, you're going to wear clothes that are bright colors like yellow or orange with voluminous texture to lift up your mood. If you want to make a bold impression or a confident impression, you're going to wear colors like red or black with pearl or crystal jewelries. Number 3, keep a power outfit ready. Have one go-to outfit that makes you feel unstoppable and your best self. Something that boosts your mood instantly, makes you feel confident. It could be a certain color, a certain silhouette, or just an outfit that you really love. Have one or two certain outfits like this ready. Okay, when you don't know what to wear, you can just wear this and be confident the entire day. Number 4, very important, set a budget. Planning your spending is not only good for your wallet but is also amazing for the environment. Because instead of overspending on fast fashion brands, you will be able to invest more on high quality pieces that will last longer. But if you cannot afford them, you can also go for second hand, aka thrift. Number 5, declutter your wardrobe. We are starting a new year, we started fresh. Go to your closet and remove all the clothing pieces that you don't like or don't wear anymore. Letting go of old pieces creates room for new pieces, and also you'll be able to find hidden gems that you forgot about. You can sell or donate the pieces that you don't want anymore in your closet. Number 6, create a fashion playlist. Create a playlist with songs that boost your mood and get you feeling, hyped up. Next time you're getting ready, you can just listen to that playlist and it will get you in your best mood possible and you'll be able to come up with the
Best outfit of your life.
Number 7, get creative with layering. By adding unexpected layers to your outfits. Add a skirt over a pant, add a dress over a pant, add a random top over a shirt. Now this year we are not only layering clothes, we are also layering accessories. Stack up your rings, layer your necklaces, layer multiple accessories together. Have fun with it, create your own unique look. You can also experiment with costume elements like capes, crowns, or gloves for a dramatic touch to your outfit. Check out this video for detailed explanation towards accessorizing. Number 8, keep your clothes in their best shape. This means regularly wash your clothes as recommended, iron them or steam them before you wear. Just overall take care of your clothes so they last longer and your outfits also turn out neat and clean. Number 9, ditch the rules. It's 2025, say bye-bye to the so-called fashion rules. Mix silver and gold jewelries together. Pair polka dots with stripes. pair a formal dress with sneakers. As long as you can style it right, it will look good. Trust me, because fashion is all about creating, it's all about experimenting, it's all about expressing yourself. So go ahead, have fun, and enjoy the process of building an outfit. Just keep this in mind that the end result have to look and feel good to you. That's it. Number 10, journal your fits. While you're playing dress up at home or even when you go out, just take a little picture of your outfit, keep them saved in an album in your gallery or make a album in your notes app out of it. I think it's possible in an iPhone. I don't have one, so I don't know. But do something, just keep them in an album. So you can look back at them. You will also have options when you just need a quick outfit and you can just pick them out from the pictures that you already have clicked, or you can just look back at the fashion or the fits that you were able to create over the years, over the days. Number 11, swap outfits with your friends. Host a clothing swap with your friends. They can give you what they don't wear anymore, and you can give them what you don't wear anymore. So it's a good way to refresh your wardrobe without spending anything. And you never know, you might just end up finding your new favorite piece. Number 12, try tonal dressing plus color clashing. Use the color wheel as a guide to create outfits and intentionally mix colors or shades. Like tonal dressing is all about wearing different shades of the same color. It's kind of like creating a gradient effect with your outfit. And color crashing, on the other hand, is pairing bold, contrasting colors that usually don't go together, styling them right, and creating an outfit to give a daring or high fashion aspect. Number 13, DIY statement pieces. Upcycle or DIY one of a kind, unique pieces that we usually see on Pinterest or social media, but we can never find them in real life. So you can just make them on your own. That's why I asked you to learn these skills on my first tip. I have quite a few DIY upcycle videos on my channel. I'll link them down in the description, so go ahead and check them out. Number 14, experiment with genderless fashion. Break traditional style boundaries by mixing masculine and feminine together. I absolutely adore outfits that have a touch of both feminine and masculine to it. You can go shop from the men's section because sometimes they really have amazing collection of t-shirts and oversized jackets or oversized pieces, you know. If you don't want to buy, you can also borrow from your brother, cousin, any guy friend or partner if you have that. And if you really like it, you can just keep them. Number 15, try various fabrics plus mixed textures. We're not only trying different type of clothes, we're also trying different materials. Go for velvet, leather, fur, organza, satin, or metallic fabrics. Anything that is available to you that you can get your hands on. Also mix them together. Mix different textures together, different silhouettes together. Mix velvet, leather together, mesh with fur. Mix them together and create something completely of your own. You can also try fabrics or accessories from earthy materials like jute, wood, or crystals. If you are a hippie or like the hippie aesthetic or just someone who likes brown or green, these colors, I will definitely 100% recommend you to use earthy materials. Number 16, style with scarves. Scarves are super versatile and can totally level up your outfits. Try wrapping one around your waist as a belt, wear it as a headwear, you know, or you can just form a scarf completely into a top or a bottom, or just add it on top of your outfit. They are perfect for adding chic touch to your outfit without really layering. Like you can just randomly add it, wrap it around and create something new. And the best part is you can style it countless times and wear it again and again and again and again because they are very long lasting. Number 17, invest in basics. I think this is just something that every fashion influencer will tell you. Stock up on high quality basics like a white tank top, a black tank top, a white t-shirt, a white shirt, a blue jeans, black jeans. These timeless pieces are literally the foundation of creating a good wardrobe. Layering starts from these basic pieces. These can be styled countless ways, making them totally worth the investment. Number 18, collect fun sunglasses. Build a collection of funky sunglasses of different colors, shapes, styles, anything you like, anything that you think suits you. These are just a good add-on to your outfit, like a last minute add-on, a last minute touch that really spices up your outfits. Not only sunglasses, you can also go for glasses, random glasses, and then different frames of glasses. Number 19, style your body type. I totally abide by the fact that you can wear whatever you want regardless of your features, but sometimes it's just a good thing to dress up in a way that highlights your features, not changes your features, but accentuates your features because it makes you feel more confident. Because when we look good, we feel good. Just embrace yourself and wear what makes you feel confident. Number 20, curate a signature print. Find a print like polka dot, houndstooth, florals, stripes, anything that you think can be a part of you. That first of all, try and experiment and then see what you resonate with and make that a part of you. When you wear something often, it becomes a part of you. It's kind of like something that people know you for. Pick that and try to incorporate a part of it somehow in all of your outfits. Number 21, add a touch of you to your outfits. This is similar to the previous one. It just means find out a design or a color or a certain texture or a certain accessory that you really resonate with, that makes you feel you, and try to incorporate a part of it in every single outfit, almost every single outfit possible, but not in a repeating manner. That means, for example, you like fur. So try to incorporate fur in the form of hats, boots, vest, jacket, cardigan, different types. You can use different colors or even accessories, not in the same way, but the same thing, different ways. Number 22, follow fashion influencers. I'm pretty sure if you have Instagram or Pinterest or even on YouTube, we already do follow people. Now I want you to start following with intention. Follow the influencers that you like and the influencers whose style you like. Don't follow from a comparison perspective. Follow with the intention to gain inspiration from them to build your own outfits or even recreate their outfits. Number 23, play with proportions. Have fun with mix matching different fittings and proportions. You can pair very fitted clothes with oversized clothes to create a balanced look, like go for an oversized blazer with skinny jeans and knee-high boots, or a tight body-hugging top with a baggy pant. It's a great way to create unique silhouette and add some interest and difference to your outfit. Number 24, DIY your denim. Something that every person owns is denim, and I'm pretty sure you can pull out some denim pieces from your closet that doesn't fit you anymore or you don't like anymore. Take it out and upcycle it. You can paint it, dye it, bleach it, bedazzle it, cut it and turn it into something else. Add some more other texture fabrics to it. Do whatever you like and create them into unique pieces that only you own in this entire world. And that is the best part about being able to DIY or upcycle clothes. Number 25, become camera ready. Here we are with our last tip, and as the final tip, mastering taking pics can totally take your outfits to a next level. Practice different angles, body movements, or expressions to highlight your fits and yourself in front of the camera. Feeling confident in front of the camera and being able to take good pics will not only help you shine yourself and your fits, but will also give you a chance to showcase your own personal style and express yourself. Now you can post them if you want or just have them in your gallery to look back at your fashion glow ups over the year. Alright loves, that was it for the video. Those were all the tips. Let me know which tip was your favorite, and also if you want me to show those tips in real life, how can you actually apply those in real life. Also like and comment on the video because it helps me reach more people. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to implement these tips in real life. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!